And welcome back. Time now for your lunchtime sports. Captain Robman Powell says despite some players only just returning to the Caribbean from the Abu Dhabi T10 League, the West Indies will be ready for the first T20 international against England this evening at the Kensington Oval in Barbados. The West Indies and England will square off in 5 T20 internationals. The last time both teams met in the region in a T20 series, the Windies edged their English counterparts 3-2, with then-captain James Holder starring with both bat and ball. Holder returns to the squad and will be joined by the likes of Andre Russell, Nicholas Perrin and Kyle Mayers. Russell will play his first match for the Caribbean team in 2 years, and Powell says the Russell factor is always a plus for the team.
It's very, very important. It's good that we have played T20 series before, so we have an idea of how we're looking to play. We have an idea of the squad. We have an idea of a combination that would work good for us. But, these 5 games against England provides another opportunity for us to look at that, another opportunity for us to fine-tune whatever areas we need to fine-tune. Yeah, it's always good to have an Andre Russell in our West Indies team. We know the quality that he comes with. And, he's fit and raring and ready to go to put on the maroon again for the people of the Caribbean. So it's exciting times, not just for me as a captain, but also exciting times for the fans.
The match rolls off at 5 p.m. Jamaica time. The Windies are coming off a 2-1 win in the ODI series. Meanwhile, Jamaicans Robman Powell and Brandon King are among 14 West Indian men's players who have been given essential retainer contracts by Cricket West Indies. Former women's captain Stephanie Taylor, along with Rashada Williams and Chanel Henry, are the Jamaican women who are now contracted for the 2023 to 2024 period. Contracts were also given for the first time to exciting young batter Alec Athanaze, Tejaran Chandapal, Gudakesh Moti and Casey Carty. The other contracted men's players are Test captain Craig Brathwaite, Joshua Da Silva, Shea Hope, Akil Hussain, Alzara Joseph, Kemar Roach, Jaden Seals and Romario Shepherd. While on the women's side, Captain Hayley Matthews, Alia Alain, Shemaine Campbell, Shamila Connell, Afi Fletcher, Cherry Ann Fraser, Shabika Gajnabi, Janella Glasgow, Shanetta Gremond, Zayda James, Mandy Munguru and Karishma Ramarak make up the list of contracted women's players. It's the first time that James and Gremond are being offered contracts. Football Now champions Mount Pleasant FC were beaten for the first time this season as 10-man Cavalier pulled off a stunning come-from-behind 2-1 victory in the Monday Night Jamaica Premier League feature match at Sabina Park. Romeo Guthrie put Mount Pleasant in front in minute 49 before Cavaliers' Giovanni Lang was sent off in minute 59. But despite Mount Pleasant having the man advantage, it was Cavalier who roared back first through a penalty from Shaniel Thomas in the 73rd minute. And Cavalier found the winner courtesy of Jalmaro Calvin in minute 83. And earlier, a Shaquille Bradford double saw Malines United come from behind to earn a 2-2 draw with Harbourview in the curtain raiser. And Jeremy Nelson opened the scoring for Malines from the penalty spot in the 11th minute, while Jason Wright doubled their advantage in minute 53. But Bradford pulled one back for Harbourview in minute 60 before Malines were reduced to 9 players. Richard Gooden was first sent off after a second bookable offence in minute 80 before Sergina Frankson was shown red in the 90th, opening the door for a second goal for Bradford in the 5th minute of second half added time. Champions Mount Pleasant, they of course lost their match. Now, Jamaican international Marlo Sweatman is now a certified UEFA scout. Sweatman, the first Jamaican woman to hold the certification, was one of 3 women in the recently completed UEFA Scouting Diploma course. The 29-year-old was part of Jamaica's squad minus the World Cup stars in the country's failed bid to advance to the inaugural CONCACAF Gold Cup. The midfielder currently applying for a trade with Hungarian club Zend Mihali FC and was part of the Reggae Girls squad, which competed in their debut appearance at the FIFA World Cup in France in 2019. And that's the final whistle, and that is it for your lunchtime sports. O'Shane, back to you.